Sometimes when we look back at our childhood photos, we realize they've all been blurred. Today, we will explore how to quickly unblur images online without using Photoshop. Here we will use AVC AI, which is an online photo editing tool. After uploading all pictures to AVC AI, slide the mouse to the bottom and select Upscale. We can appropriately enlarge the size of the picture and turn on the face refinement. Finally, click on Start Processing. Image processing will take some time, just wait for a while. Now we can click Preview to view the processing results. Drag the vertical bar to see the contrast effect before and after processing. Zooming in, we can see that the details of the face are handled very well. The same goes for the second image. The photo has become much sharper overall. The details of the face and even the eyelashes are handled well. Finally came this picture of the little baby. The originally blurred facial features become clear with the help of AI. All you need to do now is click the red button to save them all to your computer. If you also have blurry childhood photos, come and try to use AI to sharpen them.